Alright, so haven't made a video in forever, so I figured I would do one on my inner tie rod ends. As you can see, this one that I just removed is destroyed. So, and I just put that one on back there, yeah, right there. Can't really see that well, it's kind of dark, but let me turn the light on real quick. Alright, that's better. So, I got a new tie rod ends here for the inner. My outers are still looking decent now, but these are just new ones that I got from AutoZone. But you'll need 18mm, 13mm box end, 19mm, and a 13mm socket. And then on this breaker bar, I got, I believe it's a 19 to crack that nut loose right there. I soaked them in a little bit of penetrating oil, so hopefully that one doesn't really give me any problems. The other side kind of gave me problems getting off this little nut and shit right there, so, but yeah, so that one looks alright for now. Looks like it's gonna bust out pretty fucking soon, so, but I'm going to get that nut loose. Whoops. Get that nut loose real quick, and then I will be right back. Before I get too far, before you get this bolt loosened up, or this nut loosened up all the way, crack this first, because on the other side, I took this out and beat this side out first, and then I tried to take this off. So take this off first while it's still bolted on there. It'll make it a little bit easier. But I'm gonna continue to take this one off, and I'm gonna crack that one and get that one loose. So I got that nut loose, that nut completely off. What I'm gonna do next, take a measurement from the center of this bolt sticking through and the center of this lower one, and that'll be my measurement from here to here, and I'll make it the same on the other side. It's just gonna be a rough guess, a pretty close guess, just until I can get it to the shop and get it aligned properly, of course. So I'm gonna go from this nut to that nut, center reach, and then I'm gonna pop this off, and then I'll be right back. So I got that knocked out. I just hit it with the hammer. This one, well, this one doesn't look like it's got any cracks, but I'm gonna go ahead and replace it anyway. So these are reverse thread. You can see I got that nut loose. So if you spin it one way and it's going in, just spin it the other way. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this taken off, and then I will come back with this new one. So I got that off. This thing was really stuck on there, so what I did, I took my wrench, put it in there like that, and just twisted it off. Took a little while. So the way I twisted this one, I twisted this way to loosen it. Now I'm gonna twist it this way to tighten it. So I'm gonna go ahead, open this one up, and get it on there, and then I'm gonna use my measurement that I got, and then measure it up on this one, and get it pretty darn close, and then I'm gonna stick it right back in this hole right here, but I'll come back for this part. So I got it up in there, got it slipped through. I'm gonna put the castle nut on and the counter pin through and get it all tightened up, and then that'll be it. And then tighten up that bolt right there, that little pinch bolt or whatever you want to call it. But it's not a it's not a hard fix to do. It's relatively easy. It doesn't take many tools, and you can just do it in your driveway. You don't need to take it to a shop. Well, to get in alignment you do, but so that'll be it for this video after I get all that said and done. So I was gonna do a video on changing my idler arm, but I already ended up doing that last week. I was gonna make a video on it, but I was already done by the time I thought about it. So, but that'll be this video.